Fix Rocket League server is from the wrong region. Please try again later, or error 91. Typically means your game client tried to connect to a server that's not aligned with your selected region, or the server failed to validate the request. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Change your server region manually. Open Rocket League if you have, then go to Settings, Gameplay, scroll down and look for region. Set it to specific region, not recommended like US East, Europe, Asia, depending on your actual location, and then restart the game and try again. Number two, restart everything. Restart Rocket League, restart your console or PC, restart your modem, router, and wait for 30 seconds before plugging it back in. This often clears temporary network or region mismatches. Number three, disable VPN or proxy. If you're using VPN, it might make a Rocket League think you're in a different region. Disable it and restart a Rocket League. Number four, check Rocket League server status. You can visit the status of Rocket League. If servers are down or experiencing issues, you may just need to wait. Lastly, if all fails, uninstall and reinstall Rocket League. This resets any corrupt configure files. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.